Joint on the corner where the big boys play.
All right, guys, do we have time to decide?
Yeah, I'll have the chicken parmesan, please. Side of fries, Diet Coke, side salad, please.
Okay. And for you?
I'd like to try the baba ganoush.
Okay. That's very good. And what would you like for your protein?
Pardon me?
For your protein.
Why are you asking me that?
Well, I mean, the dish comes with a protein, and you need protein to survive. I know that much about nutrition.
Yeah, I know the dish comes with protein. There's protein in the eggplant. There's protein in the vegetables. There's extra protein in the tahini. You don't actually take protein out of your vegetables here, do you?
Do we? I don't think so. Let me check. I'll check. Let me go check. I'll give you guys another minute with the menu, and I'll be back.